When you say yes to something, you inevitably say no to everything else. Now tell me if this sounds familiar. High school finishes. Your friends either start jobs or go away to college. You watch as one by one people you graduated with start to earn their degrees. They start their careers, they start their families, they get married, and meanwhile you're caught up with so much commitments that there's just not enough time in the day to get everything done. And you feel like you're watching your life pass before your eyes, your dreams starting to slip from your grasp, reality starts to seep in. You begin to wonder if this is it. This is adulting. This is life. The same life that you wanted to avoid because you saw what it did to your parents. Yet here you are, consumed by the chaos of the untamable beast we call life. To be about as blunt as possible, you've allowed other people to set the intentions for your life, and now you're enslaved to commitments you don't even want to be in. You've put other people's wishes and desires above your own, and that explains why you went to college, or you studied what you studied in college, or you are at the job that you're at now, or you're in the relationships that you're in now. Simply, you just don't know how to say no. Right now, I'm gonna show you exactly how to open up more time in your lifestyle, do the things that you wanna do, and actually feel like you're in control of your life. But first, we need to understand what essentialism is. Otherwise, everything else is not gonna make sense. Essentialism is basically just peeling back every layer of our existence until we find the essence of who you truly are. Put simply, you're doing lots of things. You're talking to lots of people. You're learning lots of different things. And you're also thinking a bunch of different things that have absolutely nothing to do with where you want to be in life. Let me put it this way. You probably don't want a toxic relationship, right? You just want a relationship. You probably don't want to do drugs and drink alcohol. You probably want to be happy. You probably don't want that job you're in. You want money. And you probably don't even want a college education or that degree. You want job security. The bottom line is you're trying to do everything and have everything all at once. What this does is spread your effort and focus so thin that you only have about an inch of progress in 100 different activities in your life. But you see, that's the exact reason you only have an inch of progress in where you want to be in life. Why does this happen? Well, it happens because you think that you can have everything and do everything all at once. And the truth is, when you start adding more and more things to your plate, you start making less and less progress in each direction that you want to go. Now compare that to giving 100 inches of effort and focus into one activity, and that one activity therefore returns you 100 inches of progress and success. And this could be with weight loss, relationships, building a business, starting your career, or even finding a better lifestyle for yourself. You see, the secret to success is to learn how to say no to everybody and everything that is not essential to what we want, to our goal, to our own wishes and desires. So then how do you start to undo this giant tangled mess that you call life? First, you're gonna have to identify exactly what means the most to you in life. And then you need to prioritize in order what means most to you in life, what you want to get accomplished. And then you need to take time with this stage, with this exploration stage, to map out every different thing that you want to accomplish in your life. And then this is kind of the hard part, which is identifying and bringing forth to the chopping block all the people and activities that you're currently doing and talking to and hanging out with, and eliminate them. Or at least give yourself a lot of restricted time from the people or the things that have nothing to do with where you want to be in life. Unless, of course, you're totally okay with staying right where you are, continuing to do the same things all the way into your 30s, 40s, and 50s. And lastly, you seriously need to become absolutely aware of all of the energy vampires surrounding you. Your mom, your dad, your friends, your computer, your favorite Netflix shows, even your own thoughts. Whether you like it or not, literally everything around you is built to suck you into their intent. And unless you have intention for your own life, every single second of your life you're going to be pulled into someone else or something else's intent. And what's going to happen is you're going to start resenting them and hating them because you got sucked into their intent. So go ahead and use this free Google Doc that I created for you to take action right now and start practicing this exercise and gain control of your free time. You seriously deserve it. Take the time to fill out this paper. Remember, when you say yes to one thing, you inevitably say no to everything else. If you are absolutely sick and tired of living other people's intent and you actually want to take back control of your life and have the career, have the body, have the relationship that you've always wanted but haven't taken action on, then go ahead and check out my free case study down in the description. It's going to be a video on how I was able to implement everything that I'm talking about to create my own dream life. So if that sounds interesting to you, it's in the description. It's my website /case study. Now, with that being said, please go ahead, comment down below what you would like to see in the next video. Like this video, just smash the like button, please, for the algorithm. So hopefully 1 or 2 more people can see these videos. And finally, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. All my lovely friends, I will see you in the next video.